regimen uses raw natural beauty ingredients that will focus on strengthening your hair, promoting that hair growth, overall healthier hair. And what I also love about this regimen is that Ayurvedic hair care, you know, it not only is just overall healthier hair care treatments, and you will see results, especially when you are consistent. Consistency is key. It makes you also be creative. You tap into your creativity when you are doing these masks, like you really do. And you know, the more involved that we are with giving ourselves time, the more well balanced we'll be as individuals. It's going to be amazing. You guys are going to love everything about this whole regimen. And stay tuned because we're not stopping there. There is a lot more coming. You guys are going to love it. I'm so excited to share it with you, all of it. I'm so excited.